Hello everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful rose flower. This is really simple to make, and first of all we will look into the things needed. We will need some yarn. I'm gonna use 3-ply cotton yarn over here. Along with that, 2.5mm steel crochet hook and the yarn cutter or the pair of scissors, and also the yarn needle for finishing. These are the things required, so let's get started with the project. We will start with a slip knot. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this, and then grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop, and here we have the slip knot. Insert the hook into the slip knot, and we will get started with a foundation chain of 39. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 2 chains here. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 3 chains. Just like this we are going to continue until we get 39 chains in the foundation. Now I have completed 39 chains on the foundation, and then we will work back on this chain as the row 1. Row 1 should be 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the 6th chain from hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the 6th chain. So yarn over, insert the hook into the 6th chain, yarn over, pull through the chain. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed the first double crochet, then chain 2 and work another double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is what we have done so far. After that we need to work 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from here. This is the 3rd chain. Work 1 double crochet and chain 2 and another double crochet into the same stitch. Alright, we have completed 2 sets here, and then again work another set into the 3rd chain. 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 and 2, then work another double crochet into the same stitch. And then again work another set into the 3rd chain. 1 double crochet and chain 2 and another double crochet into the same stitch. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat until the end of the foundation chain over here. So we will just repeat the pattern and meet me back there at the end. Now I'm going to make the very last set over here into the last stitch. 1 double crochet, chain 2 and another 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Now I have completed the row 1. Over here you can see that we have created 12 sets altogether. So we are going to make the petals into these 12 sets. Turn the work and we are going to start working the first petal into this chain 2 space. We need to work 1 single crochet first insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed the single crochet. Then we need to make 5 double crochets in the middle. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now I have completed the first double crochet. Just like this, we will complete another 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we have 5 double crochets all together, and then we need to work another single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Alright, with that we have completed our first petal. After that we are going to make 2 more petals just like this. So we will work 1 single crochet into the next chain 2 space and 5 double crochets in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we need to work another single crochet into the same chain 2 space to complete the petal. Okay, we have completed 2 petals here. Again, we need to repeat the same pattern to make the third petal here. 1 single crochet and 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. After that, work another single crochet into the same chain 2 space to complete the petal. Now we have 3 small petals here. We are going to make the next petals a little bit bigger by working 7 double crochets in the middle. We will start, work 1 single crochet into the next chain 2 space and work 7 double crochets in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And after that, work another single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now we have completed that petal. You can see that it's slightly bigger than the previous one. Just like the same, we need to work 3 more petals into these 3 spaces. So we will get started. 1 single crochet and work 7 double crochets in the middle. And then work another single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now we have completed 2 medium-sized petals. This is the third one. 1 single crochet and 7 double crochets in the middle. And after that we need to work 1 single crochet into the same chain 2 space. And we need to work 1 more petal just like the same. So we will start with a single crochet, then work 7 double crochets in the middle. After that, work one single crochet into the same chain 2 space. With that, we have completed 4 medium-sized petals over here, and then we have 5 more spaces left. You can see it over here, 1 2 3 4 5, and we are going to make the petals slightly bigger again by working 9 double crochets in the middle. So we will get started with the very first chain 2 space, work one single crochet into the chain 2 space, and work 9 double crochets in the middle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. After completing 9 double crochets, we need to work one single crochet into the same chain 2 space to complete the petal. Now this is going to be the biggest petals here, and then we need to repeat that for another 4 times. One single crochet and work 9 double crochets in the middle, and after that work another single crochet to complete the petal. And we will repeat that 3 more times. Work one single crochet into the next chain 2 space and work 9 double crochets in the middle, then work another single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now we have completed 3 big petals here. We need to work 2 more petals to complete the project. So work a single crochet into the next chain 2 space and 9 double crochets in the middle, then one single crochet into the same chain 2 space. We just have 1 more petal to complete, so we will work one single crochet into the chain 2 space here and 9 double crochets in the middle, and then we need to work one single crochet to complete the petal. With that, we have completed all the 12 petals here. This is what it looks like. You can see that I have completed 3 smaller sized petals and 4 medium sized and 5 of the larger sized. And then chain 1 and leave a tail, and you can cut the yarn off. After that, we are going to use our yarn needle to make the flower. I will show you how to do that. First of all, thread your yarn needle with the tail. And after that we are going to roll the petals up to make the flower. You can do that in two ways. I will show you the first way. So you can roll the petals up like this so that the petals are folded into the flower, into the center of the flower, so that it will look like this. So the final flower will look like something like this. But I would like to do it on the other way, where the flower petals are folded out of the flower. You can do it in either way, but I prefer on this way to complete the flower. And after that, to secure the flower, what we need to do is just run your yarn needle through a few times to secure it from the behind, like this. Run it through several times so that it will be very secure. After doing that, what you can do is you can just put a knot by using these two tails. And then you can use your yarn cutter and cut the tails off. This is what our final project will look like. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any question, you can comment on the comment section below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching Hero Handmade.